Hey y'all, it's Demi
and Parker.
We're back with another video. In today's video,
we're doing the blooming tree. Grows in a couple of hours.
So that's the thing. We're going to show you the beginning and then we'll show you the end once it fully grows, because obviously we're not going to film for 6 to 8 hours to complete. So, alright. And I will leave a link below where we got it. We got kicked out of the studio because somebody was being too loud.
I have loud feet. Oh,
is the water?
Yeah, they already got us water. We had water just there, but they gave us a freaking packet of water.
Well, we're gonna use our own water.
Yeah. Whoa, it's like flat. Oh, here's the other side. Zip. Wait, I need to do this. Okay, there's the tree.
So it says to spread out tree branches and assemble tree. Position tree in center of base. Pour liquid into tree base. Watch it grow. So spread out.
It's supposed to look like that when it's done.
So you spread out this one. I'll spread out this one. Just spread out the. Mine. Alright, let's watch the magic happen.
Has to go like up from the cardboard and then into the leaves. It looks like a horrible palm tree.
If there's any videos you want us to do, just go ahead and let us know. Wait, where do you put the water? Pour liquid into tree base. Oh, so you just pour it into the base.
Oh, you're dripping everywhere.
Sorry. It keeps coming undone.
Yes.
It says that if it does fall, that you can reposition it. So that's what it looks like right now. Oh shoot, because it's not water that we need. Those are the chemicals in it. Gosh darn it. So we do need that. I forgot, because it said something about having...
It's not a real tree, Debbie.
I can't find it.
Yes, it's chemicals.
We never have fucking scissors. Okay, I got it.
Go away. Kick flip. Pew! Oh, look. I hear someone upstairs.
I know, me too. That just got on me.
I
wonder what chemicals this is. So that's our tree.
Apparently, chemicals. Oh, God. Debbie!
It's just on there. I can get it back in there.
Debbie!
Look,
crazy.
I got it back in there.
Oh my God.
Alright, so we're going to stop messing with it before like all the chemicals are out. So this is what it looks like now. It's just going all the way up. And we will...
Oh my God!
We will check back with you when it has grown.
Guys, the tree just grew. That's cool.
Our tree grew.
Whoa.
All done.
Oh.
Just kidding. Still hasn't.
Yeah.
We're getting there. So if you can see right there, if you'll focus, it is somewhat growing. It's probably been about an hour, I'm gonna say. Damn it, I just poured some out. Okay, you guys, I can't do this anymore because I keep pouring the chemical out.
I can't do this anymore.
I'm sorry, but check out how it's grown. Hopefully I don't pour more chemical out. And yeah, we'll check back with you in, I guess, 5 more hours. Bye. Y'all, so it is the next day. About 24 hours have passed, and this is what it looks like. So it's pretty neat. You just want to watch out and not touch it. And then I bent some of them thinking maybe it would make them more thicker or like have like a weird shape, and I think it did, because I noticed the ones that are straight that Parker did, it's not super thick, but the ones that I like bent around, it's actually super, ooh, it has a weird texture. It's like soft. So I'm not sure how long this would last. If you are interested, let me know in the comments and I will let you know when it starts to dissolve. thank you for watching. Go ahead and like this video, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below what you think. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye.